Hello everyone. During this time of Corona, probably going out is impossible. But today's video is something about which all the places we liked and which all the places we traveled, and we liked it as a family, where kids as well as we adults enjoyed. So among these places, first one I would always, because my children always give first, if I ask them which is the best place in the world, they would always give my mom's place as the best place. So first rank I would always give to my mom's place in Puttur, which is in Mangalore. The best thing about the place, what they like, is my mom's food. She prepares really awesome food, and the pampering what they get in my mom's place. Along with that, they enjoy the ice cream, Ideal ice cream, which is famous in our coastal Karnataka, and the churmburi, the special churmburi which they make, especially in Puttur, there is a shop called Prabhu Churmburi. So they really love that churmburi a lot. So because of the food, because of the pampering what they get, they really love my mom's place. That comes as a first place among the best places we like as a family. Second best place I would suggest is our trip drive from Bangalore to Leh Ladakh, and we have done a lot of road trips. So as a family we enjoy a lot. Even when my son was just the second one, he was just 2 years old, we did cross country, like from Bangalore to Bhutan, Nepal, and back to Bangalore. So as a family, the travel wise, we are very much like comfortable, and we really love traveling. And the best place what I would suggest everyone to go and explore is Leh Ladakh, where I felt that it has one of the place which has forest, desert, waterfalls, and snow, everything in one place. Like, it's a must visit for the experience, for the children also to get, and as a family. We had been to Oli and Uttarakhand. It was around 22 days of trip, where the entire almost the Uttarakhand, the best places we stayed. All four of us, we loved the stay in Oli. The snow, mountains, and exploring there, because we belong to south, so exploring the snow was really fun there. And they have the entire activities in Oli related to snow was wonderful. Children, since we all play, enjoy a lot, so we like the trip to Dubai, which we did 2 years back. Dubai has a lot of fantasy fun park. So the most enjoyed activity was in the water park, wherein we did all rides whatever possible for the age group. So it was very fun. The children, all four of us, we enjoyed a lot. The other place which children explored, and we also explored for the first time, was Tiger Temple in Bangkok, where we could take the tiger for a walk as well. Even my younger one, though 3-year-old, he could take the child for a walk. So that was a very unique experience. And in Bangkok we had the experience of feeding the tiger and feeding the crocodile, basically the baby crocodile, and really touching and the crocodile, which is a unique experience which children really enjoyed. And the one more place which all four of us we enjoy and we keep visiting is the place Kabini, wherein spotting of tiger again, and the nature itself and the entire activity. Whenever we had been, we had stayed in jungle lodges specifically because of the safaris, the way they conduct, and the various different types of safaris where they conduct. And during the summer especially, we could see herds of like 200 to 300 elephants, wild elephants at one single time. So that was a unique experience, and again exploring in the forest, and things were very really the children really enjoyed. And when the children and all four of us, we had a good time. And one more place which children like because of the entire package of food, activities, nature, everything, is Orange County, Coorg. Had been many times because of all these uniqueness in them, and the way the service what they gave, and the pool which is there inside, and enjoying the pool inside is very fun for children. So we had a good time many a times in Orange County, Coorg. And one more place, children love playing in the water. So Sai Vishram Baindur is again a common place where we go for the beach. Since I belong to coastal Karnataka, so beach is common, though beach is common, we generally don't stay. But Sai Vishram is a place where it's really child friendly. It is like they have a lifeguard of their own, and they train us also, like when the waves come, how do we enjoy those waves for children as well as for the adults. They give a training also, and a lot of activities in there in the beach. Really we have a very good time being there. The next place which we liked as a family was Andaman. The entire whatever wherever we went, it was a 7 days trip. We really thoroughly enjoyed being there. The mainly is the Havelock Island, wherein it is like the sea. We can go any any distance. It is like very safe to play for children.